Hello and welcome back to your own channel, Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. After a gap of more than 3 months due to the second wave of Chinese virus, leading to restriction in movement of manpower, material and machinery, the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO is set to back in action. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO will be carrying out a trial of the brand new missile that will be called Agni Prime, that is an improved variant of the Agni 1 in coming days as per report prepared by the Express News Service. Defense sources said the brand new missile, a variant of Agni 1, will be flight tested from a defense facility of Odisha coast anytime between June 28 and 29. The short-range ballistic missile Agni Prime will have a striking range of 1000 km to 1500 km and will come with lots of improvements over its predecessor Agni 1 to make it much more agile and road mobile. Preparations are in full swing at the test facility for the past over a week amid the COVID restrictions. Missile assembling and integration with the launcher exclusively developed for the missile are nearing end. A notice to airmen (NOTAM) has already been issued for the scheduled test of the missile. Indian Defense Analysis has also informed our viewers about the same in the previous videos. The link for the same can be found in the description. As per the news published in the New Indian Express, if everything goes as per plan, the weapon will be test fired on Monday, that is 28 June 2021. The DRDO has left the world awestruck after launching 12 missiles within a span of 6 weeks in September and October last year. The last missile technology tested from the Integrated Test Range (ITR) of Odisha coast on March 5th was Solid Fuel Ducted Ramjet (SFDR) that will help India develop long-range air-to-air missiles. A defense official associated with the project said the state-of-the-art Agni Prime has been developed with the cutting-edge technologies used in 4000 km range Agni 4 and 5000 km Agni 5 missiles. The two-stage and solid-fueled missile will be guided by inertial navigation system based on advanced ring laser gyroscopes. Both stages have composite rocket motors and guidance systems are equipped with electromechanical actuators. Unlike the single-stage Agni 1, the double-stage Agni Prime will have a canister version with the flexibility to be fired from both road and rail mobile launchers. The sleek missile that weighs less than that of the previous variant due to the integration of new technologies will be more lethal in terms of power and killing ability. Agni Prime will be capable of carrying a conventional payload of 1000 kg or a nuclear warhead. Unlike the single-stage Agni 1, Agni Prime is a double-stage missile that can evade any ballistic missile system. Agni Prime with usage of complete materials will make missile not only lighter but also much more sleeker. However, the technical specification of the missile is still unknown due to confidentiality. If we look in the history, the Agni 1 was first tested back in the May 8, 1989 as India's first intermediate range ballistic missile. The Agni 1 having a strike range of 700 km to 900 km was inducted in the armed forces in 2004. Once inducted after successful experimental trials, Agni Prime will be third generation missile and is expected to replace the Agni 1 missile. India has 5 missiles in its ambitious Agni series. Agni Prime will be supplementing Agni 1 and eventually replace Agni 1 in the Strategic Forces Command, which is responsible for the management and administration of the country's tactical and strategic nuclear weapons stockpile. So friends, this was today's update. Please let us know your view and opinion regarding the same. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We will be soon back with more exciting development happening in the defense sector.